Today we are making sweet and sour chicken. Ingredient is simple. It's just chicken. If there is any bones, remove it. The best is using breast piece. You can either use also the chicken chop and cut into small piece. Most properly is bite size. And we prepare 1 egg, crack it, and then we add in corn flour. After adding in corn flour, we will mix that up. It will become a thick creamy sauce, and we add in the chicken, stir it well. This recipe is very easy. Then no need of any condiments, no needs of any marination. You can cook it quick and easy. And this is one of kids' favorite too. After you heat up the oil, put in all those chicken pieces. Make sure there is some empty spaces around them. If not, they will be sticking all together. And after putting in piece by piece, let it fry for a while, and then we turn it around. If you think my recipe is good, please like and subscribe. This will add up my recipe in future. Fry until golden brown, and then we take it out. Set aside because we still got a sauce to make. I'm a mother of 3, so every day I'm going to cook different dishes for my kid, and I'm going to upload it here so that everybody can take a look, and maybe you get the idea of cooking another dishes. Now we add in capsicum and also onion, and then we put in chili sauce. Any form of chili sauce will do, not necessary to be that brand. And there is tomato sauce or ketchup. If you don't have capsicum and onion, you can also put in mixed vegetable as well. And then we put in the chicken that we fried just now. Mix it up so that every piece of chicken is covered with sauce. See, the color turning beautiful now. And once it's mixed up, we can dish up. It's just that simple. And kids love this recipe. So you can try it at home. Thank you. Take a look at the end result. This is the dish. Enjoy!